Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Hyundai Sonata key fob battery. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This simple task is quick and easy, typically taking less than 5 minutes. Let's get started with the first step. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side or bottom edge of the casing. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, slowly pry the two halves of the key fob apart. Be careful not to force it, as the plastic can be delicate. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side. Gently pop out the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert your new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. To finish, carefully align the two halves of the key fob and press them firmly together until you hear a click, confirming it's securely closed. Before you go, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link and other great deals. Finally, test your key fob with your vehicle to ensure everything is working correctly. You've successfully replaced your key fob battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.